Okay, the question is, are there sweet potatoes growing in these two buckets or not? We soon will find out. Okay, before we find out what the sweet potatoes are doing, let's take a quick look at our bell peppers that we brought in from the cold that we're overwintering on the back porch. Look at that, still has bell peppers growing. And that one done turned yellow on me. Looking good. Look at this one here. It's getting big. Okay. Continue to grow bell peppers. Got my bell pepper plant here, still growing for us. Still looking green. Have one right here, and another one right here that's still have leaves on it and growing. Look at here, this one here look like it's trying to still bloom. My poor habanero pepper plant. It's still trying to hang on with that one little pepper that we brought from outside. Nothing else looks like it's growing on the branches here. No more leaves are sprouting up. I don't know if it's gonna survive or not. We're gonna see with these other bell peppers if they're gonna continue to sprout out some more bell peppers for us and survive this winter and be replanted out for the spring. Look here. This is my okra plant I brought in. I still see some leaves sprouting out on it. And look at that. Look like I have an okra trying to grow there. I see if the flower is gonna bloom from it. That one I'm just gonna try to save the seeds from it. But I still see a few little leaves still on it. Let's see if the okra plant gonna survive. End up bringing in my ginger plant from the outside. See if I can harvest it by the spring. Let's see, got two here. My turmeric didn't make it. It died out outside. Too much rainwater got on it. I never did see any good leaves growing on it. I have a few of my ginger leaves sprouting out here. Let's see by spring if I have a good harvest of ginger. Okay, look at here. I have growing from seed a red delicious apple tree that I got the seeds from a store-bought apple that I planted last spring. And look at it, it's growing big and beautiful now. I started it off in some starter cups, and I moved it to a bigger container, but I'm gonna have to move it into an even bigger container to give it more room to branch out and grow big and beautiful. And right here, I have a branch that broke off of my cocktail apple tree outside that I'm trying to see if I can reroot it and see if it can survive and grow another cocktail apple tree, which is outside. It has, I don't know if it's going to survive. The branches are dried up and look like birds that ate up all the leaves off of it. The cold may just kill it off. But I'm going to try to see if I can. I saved about 3 of the branches that fell off and see if I can reroot this cocktail apple tree that has 4 different varieties of apples growing on it that was grafted on it. We'll see. Right now, my red delicious apple tree is looking beautiful. Grown from seeds. And look over here. This is my Meyer lemon tree. Also grown from seeds from my Meyer lemons that I harvested last spring. That I put in starter cups also, and now it's branched out and growing real tall. I'm gonna move it into a bigger container as well. So I have another Meyer lemon tree grown from lemons grown in Big Mama's garden. Look at you looking beautiful. Come on, Meyer lemon tree, continue to grow. Okay, now let's get back to these sweet potatoes. If anybody remember, I was calling these 2 buckets my survival sweet potatoes because I had lost all of my sweet potatoes that I was growing outside in some cheap Dollar Tree bags that didn't last out in the elements, and the bugs just tore up the bags and ate up all the sweet potatoes. And it was just too much rain that was going on during the spring and the summer, and they didn't survive. But I had these on the back porch, and I was saying these were my only sweet potatoes that I had left. So I hope I do have some sweet potatoes growing in here, because we're trying to make us some sweet potato pies for Thanksgiving. We may have to go to the store and get some if we don't have any growing in these 2 buckets. But I do have some sweet potatoes that my mother's neighbor has given me. Last season he had gave me some sweet potatoes too. So I just have to make it back to my mother's house and pick up those sweet potatoes and add them to what I have here in these buckets here. So I hope we have some sweet potatoes. Let's see. Okay, let's pull these vines away and let's see what's growing in this soil. Let's see if we have any sweet potatoes. Okay. Nope, don't look like any sweet potatoes in here. a good sweet potato season for me. Look at that. No sweet potatoes. Look in that bucket. Like they all deteriorated in the soil. No sweet potatoes. Oh well, no sweet potatoes grown this season in Big Mama's garden. Thanks to my mother's neighbor, we call Red, that he has lots of sweet potatoes waiting on me. I gotta go back home and pick up. That'll be all of my sweet potatoes for this season that I have. Thanks to him. They didn't grow in good this season for me. No sweet potatoes. No sweet potatoes. Okay. No sweet potatoes. No sweet potatoes. Okay. Better luck for me next season with growing sweet potatoes. Not good at all this season.